This is the knockoff version of the Quick 861 DW. Got this from eBay. Not exactly sure what brand it is, but it's an 861D Plus. Let me show you. Turn it on here. Heats up really quick. I've already calibrated this one, so 350 is going to be really close to 350C. Lower down the air. Works just fine. Put it in its dock, and it will shut off. Okay, I'm going to show you the accessories it came with here, which, if you ever notice, it comes with a tip. That's the medium tip. And then in this bag, it came with the larger tip and the smaller tip, and a tool and a little scrub screw here to, let me turn this off so it don't come back on, to put it in there to hold the tips in, but from what I found, they're stuck in nice and tight. I don't expect it to come out. And a little grounding strap here. Plugs into the back. I will tear it apart in a moment, but I'm going to show you how it desolders. Here's a tool to help you get the tips off. Alright, let me get set up to desolder. Okay, I'm going to attempt to desolder. I'm going to start with the small I see here. Okay, as you can see, that came off with ease. Okay, now I'm going to open it up so we can take a look at it. Okay. Everything's mounted nice and secure, it looks like. Here it is. Everything looks nice and secure. See, it's even got the ground secured. Let's see if it's tight. It's tight. Overall, I'm happy with it. Oops. And I got this off eBay, like I said, it's $150 shipped to me. That's about a half the price of a Quick. So, hope that helps your decision if you're going to buy one or not. Have any questions I can answer, just let me know. Thanks.